Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We are from Institute Pangeran Dharmakusuma. Let me introduction myself. My name Pratiwi Riantiarto as the first author and the other author Aan Yulianto, Gelisiana Alivia Yahya, Dede Rani, Uneng Yeni Abi Apriani, and Ahmad Nizar. Okay, today we would like present title The Impact of Bullying on Self-Confidence of Grade 5 Elementary School Student.
Well, the first one is introduction. Bullying is a social problem that has spread widely throughout the world, including Indonesia. Bullying is an aggressive act that has special characteristics, such as an imbalance of power and usually occurs repeatedly. In line with that, according to Sejiwa, it states that bullying is a situation where there is abuse of power or authority by an individual or group. Bullying that occurs in educational environments is a serious problem, especially in elementary school students, where elementary schools should be a safe place and support children to develop for the formation of identity and social skills for future interaction.
School are school are very influential in educating the younger generation. Not only creating a good generation, it train and that school can also be a place where violence occurs, whether by teacher against student, student against teacher, or student against other students. Bullying not only has an impact on mental health but also has an impact on the self-confidence and social development of the victim. Bullying is an act that can damage a person's mentality both physically, psychologically, and socially, emotionally from a person that will be carried into adulthood.
Okay, next literature review. Self-confidence. Self-confidence come from the English language, namely self-confidence, which means believing in one's own abilities, strength, and judgment. Self-confidence, sir. Self-confidence is a positive attitude of an individual that enables him to develop positive assessment both of himself and of the environment or sorry, or situation he is facing. Self-confidence is an attitude or feeling of trust in one's own abilities and being aware of the abilities that one has, so that individual who have this confidence feel calmer and less anxious about their actions. Self-confidence is a belief in one's own ability to be able to exceed targets, desires, and goals to be complete despite facing various challenges and problems and carried out with full responsibility.
Yes, next. The word bullying comes from Yes. Next, the word bullying comes from the English language, from the word bull, which means a bull that's like to duck here and there. In Indonesian, etymologically, the word bully means a bully, a person who bullies weak people. According to Commonwealth or human rights, the definition of bullying is as a form of physical and psychological violence or over a long period of time committed by a person or group or people against someone who is unable to defend themselves in a situation. and has the desire to hurt or scare people and make people depressed, traumatized, and helpless.
Type of bullying. Cyberbullying is a form of bullying that emerged along with the development of technology, the internet, and social media. Rational bullying is the most difficult form of bullying to detect, whose purpose is to undermine the victim's self-esteem through neglect, exclusion, and avoidance. Physical bullying is the most abuse form of bullying. Physical bullying includes hitting, kicking, and depriving victims the belongs. Verbal bullying is the most common form of bullying, which can be perpetrated by both women and men. Verbal bullying includes abuse, slander, insult, and sexual harassment. Next, chart of the influence of bullying on self-confidence. Bullying on self-confidence is divided into three. The effect of bullying on the self-confidence, difficulty socializing, emotionally unstable, lazy socializing. The impact of bullying on self-confidence, namely insecurity, disrespect self-esteem, social exclusion, anxiety, and isolation. Factor influencing self-confidence, internal factor and external factors.
Next, conclusion. The impact of bullying on the self-confidence of 5th grade elementary school student is very significant and complex. Bullying, which is an aggressive act across repeatedly, can damage a child's mental and emotional health. Victims of bullying often experience decreased self-confidence, which negatively impact their ability to socialize and interact with peers. What is often done by students is verbal bullying, such as mocking first name, calling them inappropriate name, and insulting them physically. Where this become the reason for victim to be insecure, reluctant to participate in various activities at school, and finally makes them withdraw to be alone. Physical bullying, such as hitting, kicking, and pinching. There is there is also relational bullying where the perpetrator deliberately excludes or distance the victim by intimidating the victim through a moves, squealing, mocking louder, and rude body language. Riches, riches, sorry,
Research.
riches. So the children how are target of bullying, whether physically, liberally, and relationally, tend to experience anxi- an- anxiety and fear, which can which can affect their identity development at the crucial stage. A support a support a supportive social environment, including support from family and friends, is very important in building children's self-confidence.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have finished our presentation. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.